Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about puppies. Special puppies, special puppies, special puppies. She's a real foodie. And she's a girl.
Hey, Mateo.
The other one. Oh yeah,
Mateo, come here.
watching the video.
Huh?
Puppy, say hi once again. You're on my video.